Lamium, sometimes called dead nettle, is a hardy, low-growing plant often used as a ground cover. It's known for its attractive variegated leaves and small, colorful flowers. There's both purple and yellow flowers. They thrive in shaded areas, and they prefer full shade to part shade. And too much sunlight can actually scorch the leaves. And Lamium isn't too picky about the soil. They're best drained soil. Most plants also prefer a lot of organic matter in the soil. And you can plant it in the spring or the fall. I have best luck with spring planting for anything though. And as usual, just dig a hole slightly larger than the ball of the plant or the pot that you're planting, and set it in there level with the soil that it was originally growing in, so the pot and the soil or the hole are the same depth. And then just water thoroughly after planting. You can plant it in the spring when the weather is cool and the plant is actively growing. And to transplant it, just dig it up and follow the same rules. And when I dig up something, I carry it on my shovel, trying to keep it from breaking up the ball of the roots any more than I have to. And then just put it in the hole at the same level it was already growing and fill in around it. And I really don't give the Lamium here in my yard much care at all. I just about completely ignore it. And if I want to plant bulbs in it or some other plant, I just start digging in it. And it is a great plant that you can grow other plants in, which makes it a very good ground cover. So Lamium is one of my favorite ground covers, and the Lamium here with the yellow flowers has been growing here for years and years. It's spread everywhere, and it can even compete with Vinca minor, but yet you can still grow things in it, unlike Vinca minor that you can't grow anything in. So that's all about Lamium, how to grow and transplant it and take care of it. And thank you very much, and I will talk to you next time. Goodbye.